welcome again to TecnoQuokkas. Happy New Year, happy 2023. Cesar again here, and this time we come back with another unboxing for an ASUS product. This time is the ROG Cetra True Wireless Active Note Cancelling gaming headphones. Let's get started. Yes. And I hope you enjoy it. Okay guys, let's get started with the unboxing with the magic tool. Let's gonna put out this plastic cover. As usual, you can see the holographic letters with Republic of Gamers. This is a really nice thing always. And let's continue with the unboxing. Without the plastic cover, you can check that the holographic is better because it's not reflections with the light. It's a really nice box with all the instruction of the characteristics at the back. It's a really nice package as always with Republic of Gamers. And let's get started. Box like this. Nice! It's a really small product. I not hope another thing different, because at the end is a true wireless earphones. We don't want a really big box. Whoop! It's slip on my hands. You can check the product now. It's only this small box, and inside the small box is the earphones. A really nice thing is when you open the box, you can check the logo of Republic of Gamers. I think this is our sync. This is our first contact with the product. Maybe in the next video we can check all the characteristics. This video is always about the unboxing. At the end is two headphones with a magnetic seal. You can take out these plastic covers for the magnetic seal. Both have these plastic covers. You put inside the product. Okay, let's continue with the review of the product. Inside of the product is the two earphones. This is a really cool logo of ROG. It's changing of color. Maybe in the next video we can check if it's possible to synchronize with Aura Sync, and this Aura Sync is only for the box, for the charging box, or applied to for the AirPods. Looks really nice. I love it. And remember, if it is gaming, we need to have RGB, because without lights it's not gaming. The box looks solid, really solid. This is I have a hand size, medium hand size. It's not bigger or smaller. I think it's a really small package, easy to put in the pocket of your jeans or wherever. This looks solid. The material is a little dirty because I started to touch it, and all the fingerprints is all around the charging box. But that's all. You only have the earphones, the logo, and another light there. I don't know if you can notice in the camera. We need to check in the next video the quality of the audio, and a challenge between another solution of ROG but headphones and another solution of Soundpeats that is AirPods, or Samsung that we have another options. And maybe we can define if it's a really true difference between the audio and the quality, or it's the same and it's another product of ASUS. Inside of the box, continue with inside of the box. It's only these plastic AirPods is with two different packages, different size of ears, different size of hole inside of the ear, and it's with the idea to increase the isolation. For the charging, it not include the box for the light, but includes a cable that is USB to USB-C. We appreciate that is USB-C because the majority of the Android solutions right now is with USB-C, and we don't need to have a lot of cables to charge our product. This is a really good idea. Inside of the box, the other things that we can have is only the quick start guide and the warranty card. At the end, that's all. It's not much inside of the box. At the end, it's a really small package. It's small package and it's a small product. It's not a lot of information that we can share in this first touch with the product. But maybe in the next time we can synchronize and make this comparison. You can understand better the solution, and if you really like it, you can have the opportunity to try it. That's all guys. This is our first video in 2023. Again, thank you for watching our videos, and we have another channel only in Spanish because we are from Mexico. This channel is totally different. The name of the channel is Chilaquiles Australianos. That channel is all about our experience as Mexicans living in Australia. This channel is about technology, but this secondary channel is about our experience to living here in Australia. We appreciate your time. See you next time, guys.